first batch of regional ministers at their tuja pending parliament approval. Na before over a Facebook page Akoma 87.9 FM. I am dropping an exclusive video. Meaning sir production what we video now. Enra Evansinkum. Enra edini ba no sana regional executives no about 80%. Our office regional office. Na usha video na we exclusive video. Usha video na Oshe regional chairman ewum party communicators ewum women organizer ewum and this is the video. This is it. Evanzingum, that is the video. Ti Enra Frank Abuakohene regional secretary for the NDC. Oni and our sheni. And I will say, regional chairman at Tono. Chairman and Okasi. And yes. And the boys no, the fans are not boys who shoot Guno Sunyasem Kitwa. Chairman one. Chairman one. Chairman one. Chairman one. Chairman and Okasi no. The NG. The course no, the regional
Nina ye.
Say among for na asem we say President John Mahama ka so be disappointing crop won't I say a lot of applications never but new munina ni betima form.
Oh definitely say even say go back to old system no kra say ministries ne door so won keka bi mbom kra na still na say no we dey bi be catchy. We dey anke bi be catchy but nipa ne door so no bia na betumi anya bi but mama sha sem free DCs ne dey no mama sha sem free ho ade a but not initially me not to say nka previous say from old system no more say obi o contest PC bia no automatically o ehono DC na MC ne o dia and later on a bar say is your move more meaning why always all changes
all of a sudden let me say after series of meetings mpanyfo hu ni say appointment no I was say who are wild you so copy ministry bia na say deputy minister bia ye no ana copy CEO bia ye no emfa ma nti mu de momra mesum from ho yes momra mesum from ho
enti say John eno na I told say also mo ye ntem now sa discussions we na e content no mu ba bi om de om fa because here no e ba say ya na wo mo contest ye no bebre aboka bebre aye campaign wo de nzika ko ruwa no ma bebre mu enti e ba say na so bi obi ko contest no na nipa na ahoden e wo so kakra bi sin no a ahia bebre be ka chiri say John ahia na ebi mo ya ko bregu enti say PC a ka ebi ma bon say John ka ebi ma bon
ka ma mo ye den e fa sa amam
e ma boka
be ka obi abode e ma fa sa amam na de nko den entu asem na akan
say John ebi ma ye adwuma o ma sa aboka eno de ayo de ya
o ka so ko e ma betu aka bosumi
enti
o msi kam say 5,000 bosumi 5,000 6,000
but say John
o jamza famo o jamza famo
this is no
MMDCs o makatu ya maka
enchobo mu
maka maka
nye no nko
me ba enchobo we maka na do pencil say you start to 30% and the man be do 5,000 no
ebi mu kra ketu anso kra mo
say bi mu about bi mu ka na o mu de tifie no you see at the end say nyenka he wo MC bi na DC bi wo area na say eduru baby na ukona onti
onye bi ma anyo no
money because o market ya no say ni o ka je so mo kro no
anyo no se nipa ne nyo bi a o ne nsa ha no a de bia no ebi a mbeka say onye ebi a ne trim na din enye ne trim na din na ketua ne bi kura na bible so me na enum ni nsia ne mai onya ahwe ene ade na du ba bi so kura na aja kaka o nso benya so kura afi ade ba na efiri nkran na eba emetampo na okura watumi aka say o kaka so they making ni ayeti na
balumu my video enti ema eti for so enjoy this kakra nti
so say John
time
back to we
mami nti o
the regional minister
yeah
wow yeda nyamiase na yeda mampeniso ase say wama young guy oba besum mantami Dr. Amwakohene Frank ni team kwa so a medical professional so a youth leader with experts in healthcare governance and public service or Bachelor of Medicine surgery from University of Ghana and or Doctor of Medical Laboratory Science degree from UDS eba na academically yebeka say na adwumudo enti niasi ane say ne vet no be go through na fei asanteman party for nso emma the needed supporter obetumi dia sum asanteman megidi so obetumi ayo
enti back to the video na ti ran na me busa say na ade we no is it that amanfo busa say na kwasi na wa influence system na say adey because we tie sound here.
This is the current situation at the party head office. As you can see, all the gurus are here. And the regional minister designate Ashanti region. Yes. That is it. The regional chairman is also here. Yes. Current happenings at the Ashanti regional head office of the NDC. Chairman, we are grateful. Chairman, why you doing that? Chairman, we are tough one day. Yes, that's it. That's it. Silent operator. Yes, because he's a master tactician. He knows what he's about. So always planning, carefully crafted and perfectly executed. This is my regional chairman. Chairman, I'm proud of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right, so Andra, that is it. Our party office in Tiusha time announcement no ebaye na o share I mean party for ne honiama chairman Augustus Andrews Nana